In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and get started using Temu, the dynamic platform that's making waves among users seeking a seamless online experience. Whether you're new to Temu or simply looking to enhance your understanding, this guide will walk you through the initial steps to set up your account and get started, all in a few easy, straightforward steps. First, to begin your journey with Temu, you'll want to head over to their homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the web address for Temu. The homepage is your gateway, showcasing various features, tools, and services that Temu has to offer. It's the perfect starting point for our guide today. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Sign In Register option. You should find this prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the web page. This is an essential step, as signing in or registering will unlock the full functionality of Temu for you. The page will prompt you with several options to log in or register, designed to suit your convenience. You'll notice you can register using popular platforms like Facebook, Google, or even traditional email methods. Choose the method that best suits your needs and comfort level. Each option is secure, but remember to keep your login details safe to protect your account. Once you've chosen your preferred login method and followed the prompts, you should be set. Congratulations, you've reached the last step. You now have access to Temu and all the possibilities it offers. Whether you're exploring features for personal use or delving into more professional tools, your account is ready to go. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Temu is designed to be user-friendly, so explore the menus, settings, and options available to you. This is your opportunity to tailor the experience to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the steps to get started with Temu. Remember, while we kept things simple today, there's plenty more to explore on the platform. Temu offers robust features and a supportive community that can enrich your online experience. Take the time to dive deeper into the tools and don't hesitate to explore at your own pace. Each interaction you have with the platform will enhance your familiarity and comfort. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. With just a few clicks, you're all set to dive into the vibrant world of Temu. Stay tuned for more tips and guides, and feel free to share this video with anyone you think might benefit from it. Thanks for joining today, and enjoy your journey on Temu.